This is Alex the Rail Fanny Redneck with
Redneck Woman.
Yeah, for Millennium Force's 100,000 subscriber special.
Woo!
Let's see what we got coming here. Look at that, it's on that third line. This is my first catch off this thing. Look at that. Huh. That's the first time I've caught it. Awesome. Man, this... Oh wow, he's got a little bicycle light as a train device. That's hilarious. Alright, this was from Plant City, Florida for Millennium Force's 100,000 subscriber special with Alex Redneck with
Crazy Redneck Woman as usual.
And we're out. This is Alex the Rail Fanny Redneck in Plant City, Florida. The CSX local that we saw on the third line is now reversing back onto the S line. I guess he's going back to Yeoman Yard this way. Look at that ensign. He ain't gonna see me. He didn't see me. Awesome. This is Alex the Rail Fanny Redneck in Plant City watching CSX local do a switch job. Oh, now he honked for me.